What's up everybody? Hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how to turn off touch sound and vibration in your device Infinix Hot 20. So if you want to turn off touch sound or vibration in your device, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can turn off touch sound and vibration in your device Infinix Hot 20.